Come out here. Come out here.
Lay on your belly. Lay on your belly. Lay on your belly. Lay on your belly. Lay down on your
Winter Springs Police, come out with your hands up.
We've all heard about spats between moms and dads, but this one turned deadly.
And I just had enough. I couldn't take it anymore.
Okay.
We've obtained the body cam video of this Florida mom's arrest, plus hear from her on tape about why she allegedly pulled the trigger, killing her child's father. Thanks for joining us on Law & Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner. Winter Springs Police in Florida say that the victim was found unresponsive with a single gunshot wound to the head. Now, what was the motive? Well, police say that the argument began with a fight over a dirty diaper, but the defendant claimed that her child's father not only threatened her, but their son too.
Winter Springs Police!
Put your hands up, please.
Put your hands up. Let me see your hands.
I need you to step out, ma'am.
Step out. Come out here.
Who else is inside?
Who else is inside right now?
My son's in there.
The woman with guns pointed at her is Laurie Adams. Now, inside her apartment is her 8-year-old child and her child's father, Adel Tawfeek. But by this point, Adel was reportedly unconscious.
Lay on your belly. Lay on your belly. Okay, lay on your belly now. Lay down on your
Winter Springs Police, come out with your hands up.
hand out for me.
What's the name? Lucius? Lucius.
Please don't show him. Don't let him see. Don't let him see. Don't let him see. Please.
Stand by.
Please. Please. Don't let him see. Please don't show my son. His eyes.
Do you have any weapons on you? Where is the gun?
It's on the floor in there.
Okay, where on the floor?
Next to the back door.
Next to the back door. Hey, Sarge.
130.
There should be a gun right there. You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna have you roll over. I'm gonna sit you up, okay? Go ahead and sit up. Are you injured?
Emergency crews rushed Adel to the hospital, but he died from his injuries. While still on scene, 38-year-old Laurie Adams was read her Miranda rights. Now, according to Laurie, when she was describing the night ahead of the shooting, it wasn't the typical everything started out great, I don't know what happened. From her point of view, it seems as though her relationship with her son's father wasn't the best, and she just snapped.
What happened?
He threatened me. He threatened my son.
How did he do that?
He's been doing it for years.
Okay.
And I just had enough. I couldn't take it anymore.
Okay. What? Yeah.
Remember, it's gonna be an investigation.
Okay.
So just be careful with.
I already Mirandized her.
Huh?
I already Mirandized
Okay.
her.
Just be careful with.
Investigations.
Yeah, because
okay.
investigations.
Okay.
Relax. Breathe right now. Take your time. Relax. That's all I need you to do right now. Just relax and breathe. 127, FT97.
I don't know. I just left my body on.
You got anything on you, no?
I think there's a lighter on my
A lighter, that's it? Okay. Don't worry about it. Just give me a second, all right? Just relax.
Right. So, what was the? We started talking, and I got interrupted.
My son pooped his pants.
Okay.
And so he started to do what he usually does.
And what is that?
Threaten me. Threaten to hurt him. Threaten to leave. Threaten to throw me out. Threaten to beat me. Call me names. Over and over and over. And let my son hear it and watch it. Not. I had enough.
What was the specific threat tonight? Aside from all of that, I'm not discounting that. Was there a specific threat tonight?
Yes.
Do you want to tell me what that was?
Told me he was gonna kill me.
Where were you sitting?
When I did what? When he said that, or when I?
Yeah, when all of this happened.
I was standing at the back porch door.
Were you guys engaged in talking then, or?
So you can go ahead and take a look at your investigations and
He's been treating me this way since my son was born. He's autistic.
Is he a husband or a boyfriend? Father? Okay. You guys remain together for the
See
family?
where I was sleeping.
Yeah, I do.
That's how he treats me. I was like a dog.
Laurie isn't shying away from her confession. She owned up to killing her child's father. She told the officer her son has autism and he's nonverbal. So when Laurie allegedly saw Adel threatening the young boy, she allegedly took matters into her own hands.
Called. How long was it? Was it a time lapse in between when it happened? Right away you called? And were you both on the balcony or were you inside the home?
He had just stepped out.
He had just stepped out.
Opened the beer and
Opened the
sat
beer.
down.
And then what happened after that? Once he opened the beer and got on the balcony?
I went into the bedroom, went to the closet.
Okay.
At the top of the closet was his gun.
It was his? Okay.
And I loaded it.
Okay. It was already loaded or you had to take the
I
bullets
had
and
to.
put it in
I
yourself?
put the clip in there.
What kind of gun was it?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Go ahead. And then what happened?
I turned the safety off.
Okay.
Walked up to the back porch.
Okay.
I opened the door.
Mm-hmm.
And I pulled the trigger.
Okay. Was there an argument before that made you go inside that bedroom prior to that? Was there an argument? Is that what you're saying? Or? No?
There was an argument, but
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm asking.
it
Was this like
for
from
me,
something?
it wasn't an argument anymore.
Okay.
It was the same thing over and over.
Did something
Over.
happen? Did something happen before that incident that you just told me about? Did something happen before that? Like right before that?
He got angry because my son pooped himself.
And then that's when he went out to the balcony, grabbed the
No,
beer.
after he got done yelling at me and yelling at my
Relax.
child. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yelling at my child. He's autistic.
Okay.
And he probably has a stomach ache or something.
Yeah.
He was yelling at him in a way that he yells at me.
So that was my question. So the part what you told me about the balcony, he went out there to grab a beer, he sat.
He sat down.
Okay, did this happen right before that with the pooping situation, or was it earlier in the day?
It was right before.
Right before that? Okay, that's what I was asking. Okay.
It was right before.
Okay.
And then as soon as I did it, I put the gun on the floor and I called you.
You called us. Okay.
How long would you say that from the argument, or him threatening you, that it went from there to you pulling the trigger?
15, 20 minutes.
Okay. And that's when you went
10
inside.
minutes, I did.
Just to confirm, that's when you went inside the bedroom. You said the top closet show. Okay.
Is it his or yours?
It's his.
Did it ever turn physical tonight when he was yelling at your son? Who did he hit? You or your son? He hit you. Where did he hit you at?
Oh, shit.
Where, he shoved you backwards, like with hands.
He went, both his hands and went.
Where?
I was
Upper, like a neck,
on my chest.
your chest.
He shoved me back towards the door.
His door. Okay. Is that all that turned physical? Just that part? Okay. And then what was he saying? Like when after your son pooped in his pants, what was he saying to your son, and then what was he saying to you?
He just popped up and went to sit down.
No, I'm saying like what were their like the threats? Like you said he was threatening you guys to harm you guys. What was he saying within that
He
time?
was saying he's gonna take Lucius.
Okay.
And because of the way he treats me, I didn't trust him. So he was saying I'm useless, I'm lazy, I'm the most disgusting thing on the planet, I'm a whore, I'm every name. If you can think of it, he said it. He said it.
Gotcha. You guys been home all day?
I took a walk. I got home about 6.
6? Okay. Were you guys arguing during 6?
It was fine.
So
He works for Uber. It was my day off, and I go out and I take a blunt with me and I go out and sit in a spot where it's quiet to take a break. And I came back and he was like an hour late or something. Or I was like he said I was like an hour late.
Oh.
I was like, I don't work today, what are you talking about? And then he started yelling because he can't go anywhere because...
So he got upset because you were out too long, is that what it was?
He got upset because he couldn't leave because of my son.
He was, okay. What time was that?
About 6-ish.
6 years, okay. And then everything, after that it was fine, and then this incident
And then he came home.
What time did you get home?
An hour. Yeah, about an hour and I think.
An hour and a half ago?
I don't know.
And alright, the department's pulling up now, okay? Thank you. You got the time?
Time right now?
Yeah. I don't have my phone on me.
12:57.
12:57. So at 11:15, is that what it was? I said an hour and a half ago.
It was about an hour.
Laurie, while still cuffed outside of her apartment, revealed to officers that her son might have heard what happened that night.
What time does your son normally wake up? 4? 4 or 5. Okay.
Does he sleep with anything in or on his ears? Does he have like headphones or any your noise blocking or anything like that? Is he a deep sleeper? Normally?
I'm not sure. He sleeps as much as he needs, I guess.
Yeah. Can you tell me a little bit about him?
What? I'm sorry?
It's okay. I was just asking you to tell me a little bit about your
Oh,
son.
I think you said you told me.
Oh, no.
He's happy.
Yeah. That's good.
He's happy kid. He loves potato chips.
Any particular flavor?
Cheddar.
The cheddar ones? Those are good.
He doesn't have much of an appetite because of his others.
So pretty much when he likes something, we just let him eat it because that's what he's eating.
Right, because
That's what we're happy about,
he's
right?
eating.
Yeah, for sure. Does he go to school? I know we're in summer,
He
but
goes over there. The Huskies. What is it called? Highlands.
Highland Elementary.
Yeah, that's
nice. Does he like it over there? Does he enjoy it?
Yeah. He's in a special class. He can't speak. He's autistic. So.
Right. Well, you know what he looks,
Yeah,
what
we
his eyes
don't have to.
are.
Yeah, we don't have to.
Yeah.
We just look at each other like.
Yeah. Did he hear anything? Do you think? Did he hear you guys arguing? Or?
Probably. For him, it's normal, I guess.
Okay. Does he ever become involved or does he ever try to intervene in his own way or anything like that? Does he come out of his room or does he react to it?
Plays, he runs.
No, I'm saying like when you guys are
we're fighting? No.
Yeah, okay.
He's in his own little world.
Gotcha. I gotcha. I know. I've not forgotten.
The night didn't end there for her, as officers needed to investigate what happened. It was kind of a sleepless night for her, too. Laurie arrived to the police station for her interrogation around 2:30 a.m. the following morning. Now, during most, if not all of her interrogation, Laurie remained in the fetal position while on a chair. But she waived her rights, so she spoke freely with investigators.
What time and then does Adele come home and wake you up, or how does that happen?
I'm usually up by then, and I see him when he brings his from school, and then he leaves him.
So Adele goes to work after he drops your son off?
Yeah.
And where does he work?
Uber.
Uber? Okay. see him until he gets home with your son in the afternoon?
I see him once in the morning, and at night he drinks, and then he starts to yell.
Okay.
And then he says, somebody's on my face, he makes me tells me to kill myself.
So,
And he bought a gun, but he's never used it.
when did he buy the gun?
I don't know. I can't remember when he bought it.
When did you notice it in the house?
Every time I see him.
How long has it been seen it for?
I don't know, it's probably been there for months or so. But he carries it around whenever he goes. And he threatened me, and pushed me.
When did he threaten you?
Right before it happened.
So what did he say he was threatening you?
I can't remember, he was just yelling. And he was in my face. And he shot me. He went to the kitchen, cracked a beer, went to the back porch with a cigarette. And he said something about taking my son. And leaving, and we'd never, and then I never seen him again. I went into the bedroom and started crying. I put the clip in there and I walked up the porch and I was terrified, so I looked out the window. He's just sitting there, sipping his beer, like nothing's going on. I pulled the trigger. I was in the clip and I pulled the trigger.
From inside the house or out?
From inside the house to the back porch. Well, he fell asleep on the couch. And I left him after he was sleeping. And he came home mad. He didn't work out. And he started yelling at my son. He was just yelling at him. Like, you don't do this here. You don't poop your pants. This is ridiculous. And he wouldn't stop yelling at him.
At what point did you realize that he pooped his pants? Like, how did that even come about?
Because the first thing he did was walk in, checked him, and said, you pooped your pants, and he started yelling.
So Lucius was sleeping
Yes.
at the time, and
He picked him up, and he said, oh, he pooped his pants.
okay.
So,
what time did Adel come home?
11:30 maybe.
And he was upset already?
He was just who he is. He walks in the door and it's his house. It's his son. Who is he?
Did he say that to his human?
I've been in that closed room not longer than months, trying to save up and get out. But every time I get money, give it to him. So if I left him, he would go.
Laurie said multiple times during her initial arrest and during her interrogation, Adel threatened her multiple times. Now, according to her arrest report, she also told investigators she cleaned up her son and put him to bed. Adel began yelling at her and pushed her against a wall. Then he grabbed a beer and sat on the back porch. But while he was drinking the beer, Laurie went into the bedroom closet, grabbed his gun, and loaded it. And like she said earlier, she felt like she had enough.
But after he shot me, and then starting to take my son, he treated me like that. And he doesn't hurt my son the way he treats me. He talks him down to him. Like he's stupid. It's been happening for years, and I had enough.
So he talks down to your son?
Yes, and he won't stop yelling. He yells. He doesn't stop yelling. And then when other people are around,
So tonight he came home at 11:30.
About that time.
Okay. He was upset, came in, checked on your son, realized your son had.
Yes, I figured he must have had a stomach.
Right.
Kids get sick. They do that.
All right, I don't disagree. Did he wake your son up and start yelling at him, or did he just start yelling
My
at
son
you?
was asleep. He
Right.
woke up. I heard him because he started yelling. Son's extremely sensitive.
So after he was yelling at, where were you when he was yelling at your son?
I took him into the bathroom to clean him. I told him to leave so I could clean him. And then he got even more mad. And he kept saying things like, "We're not going backwards." I don't know what he meant by that.
Okay, so you're in the bathroom cleaning your son up.
I cleaned him up and I gave him a bath, wiped his butt, put some new drawers on, and put him in his bed and he fell asleep. And then Adele, because he was so angry about it, he started yelling about, "You've done nothing. I have put up with you for long enough. You need to leave my house right now. You need to get out of my apartment. You need to, lazy, you piece of shit." And then he just kept going on and on. And I had to sit there like a child and listen back to a grown man calling me every minute. I didn't kill myself.
Tonight he did?
It's just been sitting in my head since. So it's not. And he's been.
Hold on a second. At what point did he put his hands on you?
And he shoved me in the chest, and I went backwards.
And where were you when he shoved you? Where were you guys?
Next to the front door.
Is that where he was yelling at you?
Yes.
Where?
I didn't want him to hurt me anymore. So what's your name?
Where were you standing inside the house? Because you said that you...
Next to the sliding glass door. By this.
Where did you shoot him? Do you know what side of the head you shot him? About how far away were you?
Very
1 foot, 2 foot? Did he see you with the gun? Did he say anything? Did he see you with the gun? Did you say anything before you pulled the trigger? What did he do once you pulled the trigger? What did you do after you pulled the trigger?
I shut the conference door, took the cell phone, and called my mom.
What was your intent when you shot him in the head? What did you think would happen when you shot him in the head with the firearm?
What usually happens?
You keep saying that you're afraid he's going to hurt you.
Yes.
In your mind tonight, what did you think he was going to do that led to the situation?
Well, first I figured he was just going to hit my husband, and then he tried to throw all my stuff. And then he said if I didn't give him my check on my work for rent, that he was going to surrender, and I was like, okay. I've got a question, sorry.
Well, so I'm going to repeat it. So basically, you keep saying that you're afraid he's going to hurt you. I'm just kind of wanting to figure out. You said it a few times.
He wasn't. I don't know. He doesn't do drugs. That's why I don't think he's just mean.
He doesn't do drugs.
I don't know.
How often
He's
does
just
he?
young. It's been like this for years. Years. It didn't stop. And I just snapped. I couldn't take it anymore. He said something that triggered me. It was bad. And I called him a name and told him to get out of my face. And then he said something, I can't remember what he said. But it snapped.
Mm-hmm. You don't remember what he said to you?
It was, I guess it's the same thing he's always been saying to me. It's just the way he said it the last time, like before he went out to court.
Mm-hmm. So did Adel use drugs?
I don't think so, no. He doesn't.
He just drinks?
Drinking, yeah.
How often? How much does he drink?
Every day, I don't know how many, maybe 8 tall. That's right.
Is that beers?
Yeah.
So over the 11 to 12 years you guys have been together, it's been on and off, right?
Yes.
For the first 3 years, it was physical between the two of you.
That's how I met him, and then I thought, he turns out to be a pretty decent person. After Lucius was born, everything changed. It's like it was.
So what changed after Lucius was born?
He left. He wasn't there. He went to work 18 hours a day for 4 years. And I had no friends or family. So it was just me and Lucius for 4 years. Until we started school. And when we started school, I started seeing people again. Get me in the apartment for 4 years with a baby. And when he was old enough to go to school, he kept telling me to get out.
Laurie Adams was arrested and charged with first-degree murder. But why, though, even though she said she felt threatened? Well, according to her affidavit, days before the shooting, she texted her mom requesting she be responsible for Laurie and Adel's son if anything were to happen. Now, in January of this year, she was indicted on 1 count of first-degree premeditated murder with a firearm. No trial date was ever put on the calendar for Laurie, because a month later, she pleaded guilty to her charges. According to online records, she's serving a 25-year prison sentence for second-degree murder. Laurie's earliest release date won't be until 2050, and by that time she'll be in her 60s. Online records reveal she's serving her sentence in the Lowell Correctional Institution in Gainesville, Florida. Thanks so much for joining us here on Law and Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner.